Hey, we hit up these guys last time we recorded,
Okay.
and I really liked them.
Did you?
I did, and we really liked them.
What's this wee stuff? Did you have a mouse in your pocket?
You liked it too.
Did I really?
I actually just posted this video tonight.
Did you?
The video, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I don't watch us.
You don't remember it? You don't remember
I
this band? Oh yeah, this is the guy with the mask who looked like Batman.
Really?
Batman.
How dare you? That guy?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You destroyed an entire ecosystem for your fantasy economic plan or whatever. Oh, that's not Batman. I'm sorry. That's Greta Batman. Greta Thunberg does metal.
Yeah. I like that. That's pretty sweet.
So is this a tribute to the cult of the sun? For the cult? For the cult.
Yeah.
Like you want to join the cult.
What are you doing over there, man?
None of your business. That's what I'm doing.
Siberian Meat Grinder. We did that. So we did a song, and I liked it. So I'm going to do another one because the person that recommended this band recommended two. So, shut up and let's just do it.
Shh.
Fuck. Ready?
For the cult.
Banana.
It's a paintball mask. Carrie King? Is that you? Whoa. Rip.
Hear me out.
Slayer, Repentless.
Creator.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Sounds
Wow.
like Creator.
Sounds like... How many syllables? Creator.
Creator. That's what it reminds me of.
Victory will come. Dun, 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 dun.
I really like these guys.
This is not bad.
I like these guys a lot.
Yeah, this is not bad. Yeah, that's a good call. Wow. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I did follow these guys on Facebook, by the
What
way.
book?
The Facebook.
I don't know what that is.
Followed them. I messaged them. I sent them the video I posted tonight.
Oh, a little shameless self-promotion, huh?
Hell yeah, I want to see what they thought of me.
What did they think?
I don't know. They haven't responded yet.
I want to
They
know.
probably watch it and be like, oh, fuck you guys. Who the fuck are these guys?
Well, I just want to know, like, how is he getting his hands wet constantly out in the woods? Like, is he getting snow on it? Like, there's nothing worse than having, like, wet hands and it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
You lose fucking body heat, like, 70% faster when your hands are so fucking drying his hands off. Yeah,
Right.
I'm right there with you, buddy.
I had nothing bad to say about it. I liked
No.
every little thing about it.
It got better as it went on. It, like, the ball, like, kept building and it, like, got faster and it got, like, you know, harder. There was more elements thrown in there. There was a lot more everything.
It's weird because I think they're like kind of like a hardcore type band, but this song at least came off as like
death, thrash,
death, hardcore.
Slayer-ish, Big Four
Creator.
sound, the Teutonic Big Four.
I think Anthrax should be kicked out of the Big Four and Creator should be in the Big Four.
Creator is in the Big Four, the European Big Four.
All right, I guess that works.
You got Sodom in there as well. Yeah. They have, they got their own thing going on.
I liked it.
Yeah, this was pretty good.
All right.
So you guys, tell us what you thought. Everybody from the Philippines who's watching, check these guys out. Everybody from Europe who's probably watching these guys. Wait a minute, these guys are from Europe. They got to be Siberian. They look European. The camouflage pattern and everything.
I don't hear any.
The
accent.
woods looked European.
For the band Siberian Meat Grinder, you hear that? You saw our video. Hook us up with a shirt. I want a shirt.
Get him a mask. I'm sick of looking at his
Oh
face.
God, would that be cool? Do a whole video. With
He
the
would
mask
wear
on?
it. Yeah, he would
Hell
wear it.
yeah. Walk around the mall.
Oh, Christ.
The mask on with Siberian
Hey,
Meat
the
Grinder
mall,
shirt.
no, the mall ain't the same anymore.
The mall.
The mall. Christ,
All right.
you just dated yourself. We have to go to a concert with that.
Hey, but I was just in that Hot Topic.
Oh, God, don't even fucking say that on camera.
Shut up. They had some fucking awesome shirts there again.
Okay.
They had a Typo Negative Bloody Kisses shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
What the fuck happened to that store?
I don't know. They got good shirts there. Good job, guys.
They changed management.
They must have. They're like, what's all this pussy shit on the wall?
Yeah. Get some Siberian meat grinder up in this bitch.
Oh, wouldn't you shit if you walked in
You walked
there?
in and you
also-
heard this, you'd be like, oh, fuck.
Yeah. But anyway, again, good song.
Speaking of changing management, we're going to change songs here. So, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for being in the meat grinder.
Bowser's Meat Grinder Pit.
No.
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 All right, bye.